So good evening everyone, I am Swati Kumari and today I'll be discussing about my project which is based on the regression and machine learning based prediction modeling for the effect of chemical grouts on different soils. So as we all know that there has been a lot of industrialization and urbanization around us which has not only enhanced the country's economic and social growth but also has led to severe effects on both the existing and the parametric forms of life which include the soil. Now, along with this urbanization, there has been a huge development in the field of geotechnical engineering too, with respect to the term reinforcement, which means supporting or strengthening the existing structures. So reinforcement basically plays a very important role in both the civil engineering works as well as the mining engineering works, both for the underground as well as the open cast mines. So how is this term influencing the mining community? So basically in reinforcement, we deal with the stability, the safety of the fractured rock masses that can occur and even the soft soil layer which is usually present while we are excavating the materials, the minerals. So for this reinforcement, the one of the most common and the newest techniques that have been deployed in the mines is grouting. So grouting is basically filling of a pumpable material into the voids or the soil or the fractured rock masses by using various compounds like cements, chemicals, bentonite, resins, etc., which can gel in and settle in to strengthen the structure. At the same time, can act as a water sealant in order to prevent the groundwater flow or seepage. So in this project, what we are trying to do is to combine both the geotechnical engineering and machine learning so that we can use it for the soft computing analysis and avoid the huge complicated and the tedious calculations that we have to do for each of the data set and can predict values which will be further useful for us to predict how a certain grout will behave with a certain rock mass in the future. So as a mining engineer, our role completely involves studying of the material. So this study, if it is done in a proper manner, it can help us to predict, it can help us to create predictive models or tools which can be further be useful for the mining community overall. So along these lines, my major objective through this project is to create a multi-scale predictive model and establish relationship between the grout properties as well as the soil. Now these grout properties will basically include the concentration of the grout pressure, the temperature at which the grouting will be done, the gel time, and the soil properties will basically include the grain size, the percentage of fines, the viscosity of the geocomposite that is formed, so that we can predict the values of compressive strength and the flow behavior of the grout, which is basically viscosity. So these are the inputs, and the compressive strength and the flow behavior of the grout is basically the outputs. For this prediction modeling, we'll use three types of models which include the multivariable regression analysis, the artificial neural network or ANN, and adaptive neurofuzzy inference system which is ANFIS. So what we are trying to do is to predict is to find the most reliable model as a function of the water is to chemical ratio, the grain size, the curing time and temperature to predict the rheological and mechanical properties like compressive strength and viscosity of the chemical grout that we have used as a form of a geocomposite, and compare the correlation coefficients that we get between these input and output parameters so that we can find the best suitable model for this analysis. So what actually are grouts? A grout is basically a general